Sweet and juicy pineapples. Oh, they tasted so good. Wish y'all could smell it and wish y'all could taste it. Woo! Pineapples grown from Big Mama's garden. Okay, we getting ready to cut up these beautiful pineapples. Woo! They look so beautiful. Yellow, luscious yellow. So let's pull out these beautiful tops. I'm gonna keep these beautiful tops because they homegrown. Homegrown from Big Mama's garden. Yes, they look beautiful. They're gonna reproduce some more pineapples from the top. So all we have to do is just pull off the tops of this pineapple. Look at that, just twist it off. Woo! And put it in some water. Let's pull some of the little leaves off of it. After you take some of the leaves off of it till you can see the little roots coming around on the pineapple, then you put it in some water and it's gonna grow some more roots on there. And once it get a lot of roots showing, then you can put it down in the ground in the dirt. Oh, look at this one here. We're gonna cut the small one first. Ah! Okay, let's cut the bottom part off. Let's cut the top part off. Ooh, that smells good, y'all. Then we're gonna cut the ends around the sides here. Ooh, it looks good. It's juicy. Look how juicy that is, you guys. Let's cut it. Some surface on it. Cut some slices off here. Ooh, wait to taste you. This is so juicy and sweet. Tastes good. Ah. Yes, it is. I gotta share this with my family. Come on, Jess, try it, taste it. What y'all think?
This is good.
Well worth the wait. So
right.
good. Oh, that was good.
Tasted great. Yes, it did. Pineapples from Big Mama's garden. Woo! Okay, I'm getting ready to cut up this big pineapple next. Twist off the top of this. Ooh, it has a beautiful top to it. Yes, it does. Gonna save these tops for sure because they homegrown tops from Big Mama's garden. Let me twist the top off of this one and get ready to cut it. Okay, let me get ready to twist this beautiful top off of this pineapple. Ooh, yes. Twist it on off. Yes, there we go. Now I'm gonna peel off the leaves, some of the leaves off of this one so we can see the roots that's growing on this pineapple. Then we're gonna put it in some water. Look at those big roots on that one. Oh yes. We're gonna put it in some water and wait and let those roots off of this pineapple grow even longer. And then we're gonna put it in some soil and let it grow us some more beautiful pineapples. Look at that. Look at the roots on that pineapple. Let's see if it's gonna be able to go up in this jar here. I need to put some more. Ooh, it got a little curve to it. Let me add some more water to the jar. So the end part of it will get some of the water. This one here had a little curve to it, so it may not just sit up in the jar. Okay, there it is. Okay, look at that. See those roots? You can see the roots in the jar. Got 2 of my pineapples tops that I'm gonna grow from off of my pineapples that I harvest. First pineapple harvest. Okay. Now let's get ready to cut this one open. I know it's gonna be juicy just like that small one was. Look at this, look at this. Look at all that beautiful gold color. Let's cut this bottom part off. Let's cut this top part off. Look at that, look at that. Let's cut all of these sides of the pineapple off, and then we can cut it up into slices. We can taste this one too. Ooh, look at all that juice coming off of it. It smells good as I'm cutting it. Yes. Okay, I think I got all the whole part off of it. Look at that. Now let's slice these up. Oh boy. As I'm slicing it, all the juice is just running out of it, boy. Ooh, I know it's gonna taste good. Tastes better than the ones that were from the store.
Big said it tastes better than the one from the store, yes. She said it tastes better than the one from the store.
Let me try this one here. I'm finna try it.
Oh my goodness.
I'm getting ready to taste the big one, y'all.
We're gonna taste the big one, Spider.
Woo! What you think? Oh, it tastes so good. Oh, so juicy too. Homegrown pineapples from Big Mama's garden. Sweet and juicy pineapple slices from my homegrown pineapples and beautiful pineapple tops that I'm getting ready to regrow in Big Mama's garden.